Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to find the student's pen number. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your grade book and you're going to go to your class list and you're going to pick your career life course. You don't have to do this part, but you'll see it makes it pretty easy. So I'm going to grab the course code there, Control C, and then I'm going to go to my student. And I'm going to manage my field sets, and I'm going to go to the default field set. So this is all my students here. And then what I can do is I can filter, if I want to, by course selection. And I can place in that course code. And I can submit. And these are all my grade 10s with their pupil number, but also their pen number. And they need that pen number to log into myblueprint.ca. Thanks for watching.